Social Security Administration's Autopilot operations lead to $800 million in budget cuts. The Social Security Administration, SSA, has announced a series of significant budgetary reductions totaling $800 million for the fiscal year 2025. This initiative comes in the wake of internal assessments highlighting inefficiencies within the agency's long-standing operational practices, identified savings and operational changes. Acting Commissioner Lee Dudek emphasized the necessity for reform, stating that the SSA had been operating on autopilot, resulting in bureaucratic stagnation and inefficiency. The identified savings encompass several key areas: payroll and overtime. A hiring freeze coupled with substantial reductions in overtime for both SSA and disability determination services is projected to save approximately $550 million. Information technology. The agency plans to cut $150 million from its information technology systems budget. Real property. Reductions amounting to $102 million are targeted at non-public-facing real property expenses. Additional cost-saving measures include curtailments in printing and postage, scaling back on protective security officers, and limiting travel expenditures. Workforce downsizing and structural reorganization. In a move to streamline operations, the SSA has announced a reduction in its workforce from 57,000 to approximately 50,000 employees. This downsizing is accompanied by a restructuring of its regional office framework, consolidating from 10 regions to 4. Critiques and concerns. These budgetary and structural changes have elicited concerns from various stakeholders. Critics argue that diminishing the workforce and budget could impair the agency's ability to serve its beneficiaries effectively, especially considering that staffing levels are already at a 50-year low. Former SSA Commissioner Martin O'Malley cautioned that such reductions could lead to delays in services and benefits for claimants. The National Committee to Protect Social Security and Medicare expressed apprehension that these cuts might undermine the program rather than addressing issues of waste, fraud, and abuse. They highlighted that the SSA operates with administrative costs constituting less than 1% of total benefits paid, underscoring the agency's existing efficiency. Technological advancements as a solution. Experts suggest that modernizing technology could contribute to cost savings. Andrew Biggs, a senior fellow at the American Enterprise Institute, noted that many functions of the SSA's retirement program are analogous to those managed by 401k providers, implying that advancements in technology could reduce operational costs over time. SSA's commitment to service amid reforms. Despite the substantial changes, the SSA maintains its dedication to customer service. The agency stated its commitment to identifying further ways to save taxpayer money while implementing solutions that enable frontline employees to assist more customers effectively.